In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat media upload problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different fixes that we can try. So the first fix here is to check your internet connection. So ensure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data network. You can also switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps as well. Also, restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Alright, the second fix is restart the Snapchat app. So close the Snapchat app completely and reopen it. If the issue persists, restart your phone. Fix number 3 is to clear Snapchat cache. So what we need to do is click and hold down the Snapchat icon, click I to go on app info. From here, scroll down, click in the storage, and then go ahead and clear cache. Number 4 is to update Snapchat. So go to your Play or App Store, search for Snapchat. And now if Snapchat is updated to the latest version and it says open, that means it's got the latest version installed. But if it's like me and it says update, go ahead and update Snapchat to the latest version. Alright, number 5, check Snapchat server status. So if Snapchat servers are down, media uploads may fail. So what we can do is just do a Google search for Snapchat server status and just check out any one of the top ones here. So we can look at Snapchat down from downdetector.com. We can have a look when it's been down. You can see if there's any issues on the server side of Snapchat. Fix number 6 is disable data saver mode. So open up Snapchat, click onto your user profile, and then click onto the gear icon top right hand corner of the page. Now from here, scroll down and check for data saver mode or data saver. Here it is here, and it's under privacy control. So click on the data saver. If that's enabled, go ahead and disable that. And the last fix is just simply delete Snapchat from your phone and reinstall it from your Play or App Store. Let me know in the comments below which fix helped you guys out for fixing this issue.